Okay guys, these are a couple of shelves that I threw up. Just going to show you quickly how I went about doing them. Just for the side of the mitre saw where I can throw some wood up. Sorry guys, I forgot to film the bit where I put these wooden pieces into the wall. Basically you just used the joist finder and secured them to the joists in the wall. Here I'm just putting a couple of zip ties on to get the dust extraction pipe out the way. Now I don't know whether you can see it here guys, but I forgot to put the camera on. But if you look at one end, I've actually put pocket hole screws, pocket holes there, which is I'm going to use to attach to the wall brace. Now these smaller pieces I'm cutting now, these are going to be used just to strengthen up the sides once the bigger piece of wood is attached to the wall brace. Now I'm not using the clamp here to clamp the wood on, I'm just using it to hold it and stop it slipping off to either side once I start putting the pocket hole screw in. Okay, so now for a dab of glue on the end. Spread that out evenly. Hold it up against the wall piece of wood, and screw it in with the pocket hole screw. Okay, when you're holding this up guys, put a fair bit of weight behind it, because it'll get messy if you don't put the pocket hole screw in. These are the little side pieces that you see me cut earlier on. Just two holes on one end that will go into the wall brace piece, and another two holes down the length of it which will screw onto the actual piece we've just attached. Plenty of glue on it, screw it up and clamp it up. And one on each side. Now we want to be doing the same kind of thing on both sides here, but on the other side I can't get the drill in, so I will use a little adapter that I got from Home Depot, and it comes in useful every now and again, and you'll see me use that in a second or two. Okay, the clamp's back on here, guys. I have added the other piece to the other side, just screwing it on now. And you can see the little adapter I've got on the end of the drill there for screwing on tight angles. And that's basically it, guys. You just do the same thing with every piece that you want to add on there, and you can add as many as you want on, really. With regards to the wall supports, just add as many of them on as you want. All you got to do is find a joist with a joist detector and screw them into the joists in the wall. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like. Thank you. Bye bye.